Good morning, everyone. I'm Mike Moran. On behalf of the Sarasota County Commission, it is my pleasure to welcome you to the 16th Annual Sustainable Communities Workshop. The theme of this year's workshop is Roots of Sustainability. We chose this theme to help us explore the meaning and foundations of sustainability. Sustainability efforts play a vital role in our economic, environmental, and social lives. It helps to create and foster lasting communities and helps us chart a greener path forward. This workshop brings us together to discuss the sustainability challenges we all face and that have become more important than ever. Discussions will include water quality, urban agriculture, climate change, indigenous perspectives, local projects, ways to get involved, and so much more. Today's speakers will share examples and best practices of projects they work on as individuals and within their organizations to make communities more resilient and healthy. We encourage you to use these examples to spark conversation across the community and implement some of these efforts at your home or business. Because we can't achieve these goals unless we all work together. As a body, the Board of County Commissioners have tried to lead by example when it comes to sustainability. Some of our efforts include investing hundreds of millions of dollars in water quality. Since 2010, the county has secured approximately $7 million in grant funds for sustainability-focused projects. Programs and projects focused on helping low-income households save money through energy-efficient upgrades, implementing a collaborative grant program called Partners for Green Places, which helps human service and environmental nonprofits reduce operating costs with projects that cut energy and water use, including adopting solar technologies. Integrating energy efficiency and green building technologies into our facilities, such as our program Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, which certified our fire stations, libraries, and the Extension Building. Earning the Sol Smart Silver Honor for advancing solar energy growth and removing obstacles for solar development. Investing in fuel-saving technologies in our county vehicle fleet, including adding plug-in electric cars and installing 18 electric vehicle charging stations with 30 ports. Completing a sea level rise vulnerability assessment report in December of 2020, joining the Tampa Bay Regional Resiliency Coalition, a collaborative working to build a resilient economy and address extreme weather and climate risks, and most recently, partnering with the Conservation Foundation of the Gulf Coast to preserve nearly 250 acres in Old Myakka. Even with these steps, we know the work is not complete. A major opportunity currently being developed is the next phase of the Penny Tax Fund project. The Penny Tax, or 1 cent surtax, provides funding for capital improvement projects, and the potential project list for the coming decade currently involves water quality, stormwater management, and renewable energy products. One of the great things about the surtax is that every penny collected goes towards improvements in this county. There's still time to provide your feedback at our landing page at sarasotacountysurtax.net by November 16th. So let this workshop serve as a place where we build a united community to ensure a better world for the next generation. I encourage everyone attending this event to think of the personal changes you will make as a result of what you learn here today and what information you will share with others to keep the conversation going. Thank you to all the partners involved in organizing this workshop. And I thank each one of you for your dedication and leadership on this issue. Thank you very much for including me, and I hope you have a wonderful workshop today.